Sir, look at very handsome and
Nice, yeah.
I like assembly class because of their activities and environment and disciplines.
Great. This man is paying. Okay, everybody is paying 10 rupees extra. Okay, all right, all right. This patty is very big. Okay, this is going down. Hi, how are you? Fine. All right. So today we are going to have a beautiful activity after long time, right? And you know the weather is so beautiful, and this is May, right? And May is normally hot, but today there is a very great grace of God that the weather is so cool, okay? And you're enjoying the beauty of December in May. All right, so let's start. Today, these guys will talk about their feeling for SMB English, right? And everyone has to speak one line, just one line, and you should be slightly aggressive, you should be slightly energetic, okay? You should be slightly interested, okay? Okay, it should look that you're trying to speak, you want to speak. All right, don't show your dull faces, okay? That's why I have ball. You know, nowadays IPL is going on, right? Yes, sir. Understand? And everybody is watching IPL matches, right? So these girls are not watching, but boys are always watching, you know, IPL matches, right? So this shows that you are energetic, because in IPL matches, when you watch it, you see how energetic the crowd is. So this crowd is also energetic? Yes, sir. That's great, okay? So now, I don't want to take your time, okay? I want to start, okay, from girls, okay? Tell me something about SMB English, okay?
firstly I speak. Sir, look at very handsome and
Good to see that. Clap for it, yes. Yeah.
and assembly class is better than other class.
Yes. Fast.
Assembly class, she said assembly class is better than other class. It's right. Nowadays, our class is very growth, and yeah.
SMB English class is better than other class because his environment and discipline is very well.
Right, right. Great to see that. Every new student is speaking.
I like SMB class, SMB good environment.
Okay, great point. She is the new student. Clap for her. So beautiful.
I like SMB
Yeah.
class because this environment is most beautiful and discipline is amazing.
Okay.
I like SMB class because speaking is very excellent.
Yeah. Good point. Good one. Everybody is trying hard. Yeah.
Sir, teaching style is great.
All right. Everybody is trying. That's great.
SMB class, I like SMB class because of here is original speaking environment.
Right. Original speaking environment.
SMB class is a in energetic class.
SMB class is the best discipline.
Loud. Your
SMB class
energy
is
kahan hai?
better
Where
than
is
other
energy?
class because in SMB class not teach you only grammar. SMB class teach you how to speak English.
Good here. Good. Very beautiful. Excellent job.
SMB is better than other class because there is no this type of environment. Here is a very great environment.
पूरा घर दिखाओगे?
I like SMB class because environment is very good.
Yeah.
SMB class better than other classes.
बस
I
काम
like
पूरा कर लिया आपने. अच्छे से बात करो.
I
यार.
like SMB class. Sir says to me all time attitude.
That's nice. Yeah.
I like assembly class because of their activities and environment and disciplines.
Right.
SMB classes, other teacher, sorry.
ठीक है यार. First week है. No problem. गलत होगा. Don't worry.
SMB classes, teacher best other classes.
All right. That's अगर इसके बाद ये sentence repeat नहीं करने का, try to speak a new sentence, right? Sir. There is a rule, okay? One cannot put your hands like this, okay?
Better
This
than
is
other
called,
class
wait for a
because in
minute,
this
wait
area.
for a minute, okay? If someone keeps his hands, okay, and her hands like this, okay, this is called close body posture, right? It means you are not ready to talk. अब बात करने का मन नहीं है आपको. You're putting your hands like this, okay? And Mr. Abu Muhammad is the best example. He doesn't want to talk today. All right, that's why he was holding his hands like this. No, you can do that. That's a great point. Okay, the right way to do that. So, if someone does like this, what has he to do? He has to pay 10 rupees. You have to pay 10 rupees today, and from next time, don't do this type of things. Don't cry. Pay 10 rupees. Okay. All right. Okay. So clap for this 10 rupees. Yeah, nice. Yeah. That's nice. Next student. Yeah, please. Salman, you can try. Yeah, please.
Assembly class is better than other classes because sir daily new activities gives you daily new activities.
Right. Okay.
Assembly class is best in Begusar. Whenever you search in Google, Google result is assembly class is best in Begusar.
Assembly class is best in Begusarai. Google says this thing. I'm not telling. Google says this thing.
Yeah.
And Google, thank you, Google. Keep speaking like this, okay? Yeah.
Assembly classes better than other classes because now time any classes teacher not focus only a student because the teacher only teach and the assembly classes teacher also focus communication. And,
communication skills पे focus करते हैं हम, right? That's
everything
good.
focus like assembly.
Right. Thank you very much. Next student.
Assembly class very fabulous. Sir is very handsome in class.
Sir is very handsome in class. ये sentence miss हो गया भाई. Speak one second. Hey, फिर से बोलो भाई. Nice sentence. One second, everybody.
Once again, speak.
Yeah.
Assembly class very fabulous in class.
Yes.
Sir is very handsome.
Guys, look at him. Sir is very handsome. Good one. घर में 3 बार बोला कीजिए सेंटेंस डेली. मॉर्निंग में सर इज वेरी हैंडसम, दोपहर में खाना खाने के बाद सर इज वेरी हैंडसम, रात का डिनर करने के बाद सर इज वेरी हैंडसम. आपका दिन अच्छा रहेगा, रात भी अच्छा होगा, राइट?
Assembly class is very good class and environment. Change our village environment because every day our student attitude.
Yeah.
And change the language.
Right. Good point. Very beautiful point. Yeah.
Nowadays, it's very hard to find these types of classes because SMB is not a classes; it's our feeling.
And SMB is not a class; it's a feeling. Great point. A very beautiful point here. All right.
SMB class better than other classes because sir also say raise your hand and raise your attitude.
Yes. Raise your hands.
Raise your attitude.
Raise your attitudes. Okay. Adjust.
Sir also motivated all each and a student.
Yeah. Done?
Yes, sir.
Some new students are added here, right? Can you please slightly go back, right? ज़्यादा नीचे पीछे मत जाइए. Slightly, okay, slightly. All right, some new students have added, okay, the batch of 7:30, right? Okay. Now, these guys will also share their feeling about SMB English. They are not very new, but they are not very old as well. Okay, I'm not talking about the age by the way. I'm talking about, the duration of class. Okay, so I'm just talking. Mr. Rupesh, okay, he's here. Now please hold the mic and you will pass the mic to your partner, friends, whatever you say. Just do this.
I am Rupesh Kumar and from Pokaria, and I am also a Sambians.
Three things. Speak about SMB English. About your teacher,
telling
about
the
your
SMB
environment.
English, that is SMB English is a great class according to me because in Begusar there is no any class that compared to the SMB English because the sir personality, sir speaking style and sir friendly with all students. That is the great quality of the my sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. ऐसा है मरावला. Good morning. Be loud. Be
Good
loud.
morning.
फिर से once again.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Yeah.
SMB class is very nice class.
पैसा मिला ये बोलने के लिए?
No sir.
He is speaking बड़े प्यार बोले SMB class nice class यार. नहीं कितना मिला है? 100 रुपए, 200 रुपए? What is this? इससे ज़्यादा नहीं सकते यार. I cannot give more than this. Yeah, seriously, please speak. बोलो दिल की बात कहो.
SMB class is very nice class.
Yeah.
Because this class is Other class is very. Other class is
Don't talk.
nice, sir.
Don't talk. Yeah.
And sir speak is very well.
Yeah. Sir speaks very well. Is nahi. Sir speaks very well. Yeah.
And he is friendly.
He is very friendly. Yeah. बस सर फ्रेंड समझिएगा नहीं, खतरनाक भी होता है. It's very dangerous. Yeah. Yeah. Please pass the mic to Mr. Farhan. Okay. Yeah, Farhan, please speak something about SMB English.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Farhan Rashid from Pokharia. I am also SMBN. I am very happy to join SMB because in the era Pokharia there is no class like this, and I want to share quality of sir. Sir has quality to communicate each other, and sir is very famous, and sir is very cool person, and sir personality you can say.
Yeah, देखो भाई personality देख लो भाई. How am I looking? Yeah, please look at this man. Okay. All right. Well done. Very well done. Yeah.
Yeah, and sir is very frankly to anyone.
Very frank. Yeah, that's एकदम frankness के चक्कर में मतलब गड़बड़ हो गया, right? Don't be too frank. Okay, otherwise it's very tough for you, right? Yeah.
SMB has good environment. We are trying to speak English here, and sir gives us lots of opportunity to speak on the stage. Sir also try to remove our fear, stage fear, and public speaking, communication skill. Many things sir teach us through these lots of activities, you can say.
Sir, मतलब बीमार है?
No, sir.
Sir, everyone, viewers, look at him.
No, sir, I'm not.
Donate 10 rupees.
I'm not ill, sir.
You're looking ill, yaar. Seriously.
Yesterday.
Yesterday you couldn't sleep.
No, sir. Yesterday I am ill.
Okay. That hangover abhi bhi right.
Yes, sir.
Hangover of illness of last day. Okay. All right. So no, don't worry. I think everybody is done. Okay. Faizuddin will come in the center. Okay. Anyone else here? Anyone else here? All right. Hey, Miss, they want to. And I cannot, hold that burden on my shoulder, right? That's very tough to carry that burden, okay? Don't give me that much burden, yeah?
And
the best class of India. What is this?
This class environment is good because this type of environment is not available of our area, and my sir look like a Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. That's it. Good. All right. Good points, yeah? All right. Yeah. अच्छा है, बढ़िया है यार, बोलते रहो, अच्छा लगेगा आपको.
A lot of student of pillar of in assembly classes.
Right, yeah.
And sir teaches us too friendly.
Yeah.
And that's it.
सर इधर रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, ये देखिए. Close body posture. Close body posture मतलब 10 rupees. 10 rupees, okay? Yeah, the school work has to be done. Pay here, right? Pay here. And here is SMB English, pay rupees 10, okay? Do you like to pay? अच्छा लग रहा है पेमेंट करना? देख रहे हो बेशर्मों को? Yeah? Huh? Oh, that's great. This man is paying, okay? Everybody is paying 10 rupees extra. Okay, all right. This peti is very big, okay? This is going Dan peti, right? Yeah? Great to see that everybody is trying to, pay 10 rupees, 15 rupees. If you make mistakes, okay, if you have not in your, if you don't have a good body language, you will pay. And stand nicely, okay? Treat yourself. Great personality, okay? Garibon ke Rambo. Yeah? Yeah, so I'm calling some students in the center, right? And they will speak about SMB English. अच्छा लगता है यार सुनना अपने बारे में, किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता. I also love to hear this type of things. When you speak nice words to me, I like to listen to that actually, right? Okay, everybody loves this thing. So I'm also a human being. I also love to do that actually, right? So आप लोग बिना बोले तो बोलोगे नहीं, तो जबरदस्ती बुलवा लेते हैं. Nice ना. So now I will throw this ball, okay, at anyone, and he will come into the center and he will be relaxed and will speak something about SMB English, the environment, teacher, especially teacher, okay, and SMB English. All right. Your smile is very cute. Just keep smiling, huh? Now spread the smile in the world, okay? The world needs this bewitching smile, right? Now, just a smile for everyone. Now, I'm throwing this ball, okay, in the season of IPL. Okay, yes, you will come into the center. Yeah, and he will speak So, what is it? Hey, don't record me. Don't record me, by the way. Speak English, yeah? Few lines. With the ball you want to speak? Mic. Can I have the mic? Where is the mic? Yes, please. Yeah. Is that connected? Yeah.
SMB classes is very famous in the Begusrai. And
see that it is connected? Blue light? Yeah, continue.
And SMB classes has a good environment.
Yeah.
And SMB classes has power to learn English, to adopt English to anyone. And I want to share sir has quality. Sir has a beautiful quality to motivate them, and
sir has beautiful quality. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
And sir has a beautiful personality.
Yes,
you
beautiful
can,
personality.
You can say that.
A dashing personality. You can see. Look at me, right?
And
dashing
sir has mind to very cool, very sharp
cool mind.
mind.
Seriously.
Yeah. I'm very happy to join SMB.
Wow.
So thank you.
Thank you. मतलब इतना बड़ा कैसे कर लेते हैं आप? Great man, okay? Yeah, he deserves greatness, okay? Because he spoke so beautiful statements, so many beautiful statements about SMB English and teacher especially, right? And keep speaking like this. मुझे खुश करे ना करे आपको खुश करेगा, right? When you appreciate someone, that gives you satisfaction as well, that gives you peace as well, that gives you happiness as well. So use positive words in your life that will make your life better. Okay, so next student, total 3-4 students will surely come into the center, and take care on one thing, be slow, एकदम आराम से center में बात करने का, right? These are your friends, okay? Don't worry about it, हाँ? आराम से बात करना है, right? Don't worry कि क्या होगा, गलत होगा, कोई problem नहीं है. You need to make mistakes. Mistakes are the part and parcel of life, right? So those who don't want to make mistakes, they don't do anything big in their life, right? They don't do anything big in their life, okay? If you don't want to make mistakes, you won't learn new lessons, right? So make mistakes and come into the center, okay? So I'm throwing this beautiful red ball, and this is all the way from America to Khatapur, okay? So, wow, what a catch here! Beautiful catch. Right, I also catch well, yeah? Come into the center, yes. Great point, yeah. Enjoy the stage, yes.
Hello, good morning all of you.
Good morning.
Here I am Rupesh Kumar from Pokharia, and I am SMBians.
Okay.
I am so happy to join the SMB class because here's environment is so great, and
Yes.
I am say my opinion that my experience also that in Begusrai there is no class compared to this class because this class is so great.
Wow.
My sir, Mr. Basar, that has a cool personality,
Yeah,
and
today I'm not looking
making
very cool,
class,
don't worry. Yeah.
If their class are boring, they make the class so interesting.
Right.
That's a great quality of my teacher, and they give a smile always, and you can see that how I am speak with a smile because at the starting when I am coming, I am looking as like a serious person, and when my friend Lucy Kumari said that
Lucy
said that you are looking a serious person, then I am changed my personality, and now you can see that I have a smile on my face because of sir and Mr. Lucy. Mrs. Lucy. Mrs. Lucy, sorry, Mrs. Lucy.
सब जाएगा,
Mrs.
everything
Lucy.
will be there. Good to see that, okay? And record that person as well because he is my mazdoor. 2 students, 3 students are doing mazduri, right? They also has to be recorded, all right? So I think,
How are you feeling?
Okay.
I'm fine.
I'm fine. He's feeling fine, right? Okay, working for the SMB English, everybody will talk to him as well, if one line, okay? I'll talk to you at last, okay? At last, I'll talk to you, okay? Now, next student, please hold it, brother, right? भारी है तो ध्यान से, right? So next student, one more student and 2 more students will come, right? You are not going to catch the ball, by the way. You are not going to catch the ball. Can you catch? No. Mithali Raj, you know? Cricket? Right, yes, please. Oh, nice. He caught it, by the way, right? Now, he will speak something about this beautiful class, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? I'm also fine.
Yeah.
So, when I knew that my friend is going to one English classes, and he just told me to come with me, And when I joined class, and on my first day, I found that sir is doing on first day or in the week. I came to know that sir is doing many kinds of activities, and he is on the very second day only. Sir started to one activity that about English and what we feel about English. On that day, I found that while speaking, I was having so many hesitation. At that time, I found that if I am not able to speak, if even I know how to speak, then also if I was not able to speak, at that time I knew that it's very important that how can we express ourselves in front of peoples.
Right.
Because if we know how to express, then we will have the kind of leadership quality that
Yes,
we can
leadership
lead.
quality, yes.
We can, if we go to any offices, if we are given any task, then we can lead the people, or we can do any kind of project work.
Right.
So I want to say that why we should learn, or why we should join the classes like this, where we can learn body languages, and because it's very important in every corner of our life. Wherever we go, we will require such kind of quality. So, and here sir is doing very well, and in class, in a week there are 2 to 3 activities. Whether it is every time in class also, sir used to call the students on the stage to speak. They are given so much time or to speak up.
Right.
So,
right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. About the class, okay, and you know, guys, hold it, please. Okay. All right. Okay. So everyone is trying to share their ideas, okay, about SMB English. Okay. So I mean, non-next students, okay, has to actually come, right? Don't see like that, okay. All right. So please come into the center, okay, and just share your small feedback about SMB English. Very few. Yes. Yeah.
Hello guys, today I am here to share my opinion like a SMB class.
All right.
It is very great class because when I came here, I did not have any. I did not have faith of myself that I will speak something in English in front of new people.
Those who join SMB
But
English.
now when I joined SMB and I saw everybody is speak here.
Right.
And
right.
then I learned something, and you see me, I speak in front of like 50 people, 100 people,
right,
without hesitation.
Without hesitation, dance kar
And,
naach ke, right? Yeah.
Yeah. And sir always give us motivation, and sir always motivate us, and we motivate, and then we learn very fast.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you for this.
Sir.
Yeah, count the ball. Yes, please. Come into the center. This is your mic, okay? All right, yeah.
I think it's very hard to difficult these types of coaching in especially Begusarai.
Yeah, it's nice. You're doing good.
After a long time, I found these types of coachings.
Yeah.
And when I came in this class, what I see that's ki sir is looking like a wow.
Wow. He's looking like wow. Yeah. Good, but everybody had one word for me,
Yes.
no? One sentence for me.
Yes, sir, because this is common.
This is common.
When
It's
I
common.
saw such
This is
personality,
unique.
yes, yes.
Common है यार ये सबको है.
When I saw such personalities, I like him.
Yeah, I like him. प्यार हो गया
And
इसको.
I know about SMB. Ki here different types of rule that you have to follow it. And I know about SMB. Ki sir doing a very great job. Sir doing different types of activities, debating, conversations, and sir gives all students new topics that you have to speak on every day, especially Sunday. That's why I joined the SMB, and you can see that I am very changed after joining.
Yeah, so very changed, okay? Yeah, पहली बार जब ये आए रहे, उसके बाद जब ये घर गए तो घर वाले पहचाने ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
चेंज होगा बेटा तुम. You are changed, okay? Yeah, you seriously changed actually.
Yes, sir, you have to
Smart
believe
भी हो गए, right?
No, sir. No.
Yeah. You're making competition with me?
No.
Don't do that. No one can. What do you mean by that? Okay, you can do it. So see the great person. Okay, the smartest person of the world, and he is appreciating the smartest person of the world. Right? Thank you very much. Though. Cool. And that's nice. He spoke very beautifully. Okay, and this is what. Okay, everybody has to know. This is not for appreciation. ये मत सोचना सर कि मतलब अपना बड़ाई करवा रहे ना 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 ये मतलब इसलिए कर रहे कि they have to remove the hesitation of the public, right? और भी घूम घूम के नाच नाच करके बात करने का मजा ही कुछ और है ना वेरी नाइस ओके व्हेन यू टॉक टू द पीपल ओके यू फील लाइक नाउ यू हैव द गट्स टू स्पीक to anyone, right? So now two more students are left. I know somebody is having stomach pain. Okay, don't worry, right? It's the morning time, it happens, right? Okay, so now yeah, please, next student, Mr. Rahul is coming, okay, all the way from Sihma to Khatapur. Okay, oh, you want to keep the ball? No problem. Yeah.
Hello, I am Rahul and I am a SMBN. SMB class is a very dazzling class. In Begusaraye available for a spoken class, literature and a lot of things. No one in Begusaraye area, no one teaches us spoken English classes. But here is available for spoken classes. And sir is not teaches us only English. Sir teaches us life lesson.
Life lesson. Good point here. Life lesson. ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है यार, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Life lesson. Yes.
I am happy to come and sir. India, sir, looking like India's a handsome man.
The most handsome man of India, right?
Hrithik Roshan.
Yes. Mr. India. Nice. Anil Kapoor sir.
Hrithik Roshan and I like the sir smile.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you very much for this. In Miss India बहुत बढ़िया था, right? That's nice. Yeah, very beautiful. Okay. So मतलब public सोच रहे girls में कोई भी नहीं. Wait, public. Okay. First, what is this? This man is living in Pokhariya and you're not able to catch the ball, okay? Yeah, life doesn't give you small catches, right? Easy catches. You need to catch difficult one. All right, no problem.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Azmal. I am also SMBN and today I am sharing my thought, my opinion about SMB. SMB has great environment about speaking English and also we are trying to learn speaking and there are lots of students who knows English but they are not able to speak when he didn't come SMB. But nowadays we are trying to speak many things about our topic. We are able to speak because of sir teach us speaking class and sir trying to remove our hesitation, fear, or you can say sir enhance our speaking style. And also sir always say that ki you know English but you don't use, so you are not able to speak English. It's really it is fact, you can say. And nowadays we can say that ki every SMBN can speak English.
Right, every SMBN can speak English. This is reality
yes,
of
and sir also speak English because of I saw that ki many tuition classes
Teachers are not able to
yes,
speak.
they say you ki I can teach you speaking class but sir don't speak in English. Sir use Hindi and how can we?
Sir, ये मेरे बारे में नहीं बोला कि सर बारे में बोला.
Yes sir. Yes, sir. But here sir also speak English and sir always gives us lots of you can say games like sir gives you a program like if you speak Hindi you can't speaking Hindi you have to pay 10 rupees every word. And this is also good. It helps us to remove hesitation and remove our fear of speaking English. And we know English but we don't speak because of fear. Sir
Right.
always teach us say this type of things.
Right.
And here is one more thing I love that is sir also teach us after this English class is good, but also sir gives you that type of games, you can say activities,
yes,
which helps you to enhance your personality, which is important to do any job, or you can say
all right, yeah.
to crack any interviews. That is very important. Sir teach us. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Okay, you guys have started speaking in the public. Actually, public में बात करना is very tough यार, and these are the publics, okay, and you are speaking in front of them, and just going in front of everyone. This is eradicating your fear very soon, right? Okay, so all right, this activity is very ravishing. Okay, so now there should be a girl. Okay, without this class will be not completed now. So you have to come here into the center.
Hello my viewers, I'm Lucy. I'm going to share my thought about SMB and my show and environments.
All right.
This is one of the best class, spoken class of Begusra and you can say Bihar also.
Bihar, yeah. Nitish Nitish नहीं है ना अपने यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आज. Nitish Roy has not come ना. All right, yeah.
Whoever come here, they will be crazy.
Right. They will be crazy, they will be mad, they will be दीवाना. यही कहना चाह रहे हैं ना. Nice, good one. अच्छा लगा. बोलते जाइए. अच्छा.
And about myself, I'm going to talk about myself.
Yeah.
He is a hilarious man.
Hilarious? No, hilarious.
Hilarious.
Yeah, hilarious, right.
He's a hilarious man. And his teaching style is very stunning. And his teaching, he teaching not like a sir. He's teaching like a best friend.
Best friends, okay,
Yeah.
best friend. I cannot be a best friend, okay. एक बार दोस्त समझा रहा है, बाद में उसको पता चला, right? Yeah.
His personality is so extraordinary, and I like too much his teaching style. And I'm going to talk about this environment. Nowadays, this is one of the best environment for spoken English.
Right.
And I have never seen other class like SMB English.
Right, yeah.
If you come SMB English, you become really crazy, and
Yeah.
I also crazy.
I'm a crazy of English. Thank you very much. Now let's talk about. मजदूर से ही बात करना जरूरी है भाई. Viewers, he is not Mazdoor, he is lover of SMB and he speaks English as well, right? And he always comes to support me. So extra like इनके लिए बनता है और extra share इनके लिए बनता है, right? So why did you support all the time to SMB English?
Because SMB English is better than other class, and it helps every student, and SMB sir motivate every student, and those who poor, those who rich, those who every person, all students sir motivate, and motivation also important.
Right.
Our goals.
Right.
Whenever some person motivate you, then you will think, and then your mind will be open to what should I do.
Right.
And
right.
So I support SMB.
Okay, always support me.
Yes.
जो भी मजदूरी का काम हो, you come and do it, okay?
Every work I
सर
will
एक और
do,
बात बता,
and
पैसा नहीं लेता है, ऐसा नहीं कि फ्री में करता है. He does hard work, okay, for free, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, okay, for supporting all the time. Okay,
Yes,
we need supports. Okay, thanks a lot. Nice done. I know you guys are tired. Okay, so I'm not taking your extra time. Okay, so viewers, you must have liked this beautiful activity. I know this activity has not big things to learn, but big things to start speaking. These guys are, and most of the students, 90% students are very new in this crowd, okay, those who are standing here, right? So please understand, this type of activity is going to eradicate your fear, hesitations, okay, and you will get, okay, confidence for speaking English into the public, in front of public, right? So for public speaking, this type of activity is very vital, okay? So keep trying this type of things. For this, घर में कैसे ट्राई करोगे? SMB आना पड़ेगा. So join SMB English and improve your spoken English. Okay? All right. Likes, share, and subscribe ये बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Do it right now. Thank you very much.